Hi, my name is Matt Stein. I'm the digital printing demo room supervisor here at our North American headquarters in Gurnee, Illinois, and we want to take you a behind-the-scenes look at our virtual demos. Our virtual platform allows us to bring our demonstrations straight to you, allowing you to get a first-hand look at all of our digital printing equipment.
Welcome to Domino. This is our North American headquarters in Gurnee, Illinois. Domino was founded in 1978 and is a global organization. We provide digital printing solutions for labels and packaging. And we want to give you a sneak peek of what you can expect when you visit Domino virtually.
Good morning, everybody. You can see behind me is the N610i digital label press.
We offer live virtual demonstrations, allowing you to see our world-class digital printing solutions from the comfort and safety of your workplace or home, answering all your questions and customized specifically for your company.
So since we're going to spend some quality time here talking about the imaging bridge, this is where the real magic is happening.
Hi, my name is Ed Reyes. I'm the demo sample technician here at Domino North America. And what I have here behind me is our virtual assistant. We have our cameras, we got our main view camera, our handheld camera, our screen, and what this virtual assistant does, it brings you here with us when you can't physically be here. I could switch in between screens, I can toggle in between different views, as well as show some of our high resolution animations, pop-ups. It really makes you feel as if you were here. My goal is to give you the best virtual user experience.
And this is where I can pick this camera up. And this is where we were discussing that we could take them right up inside that press, see what's happening.
And the benefits are endless. Now your entire team can participate in a personalized demo without the travel cost, without the time away. A virtual demonstration from Domino includes more than you would expect. Not only are you given a thorough walkthrough of the press from start to finish, but you will also be provided custom print samples. Utilizing your files, we print the jobs with your artwork and media and send them to you before the virtual demo. This means that during the demonstration, your team will be able to see and touch the labels printed on our digital press. You'll see the print quality and the consistency, as if you were here at our facility.
Hi, I'm Julie Kruger, and I'm a demonstrator here at Domino North America. I get to demo our line of digital inkjet label presses. So during a virtual demo, my role is to take you through the digital label press, go through each component, answer any and all questions you may have, utilize our animations, utilize our pop-ups, and really show you how our features work and how the technology is working for you. So through a virtual demo, I'm making sure you understand everything underneath the hood so that you can make the best possible decision on a great digital label press for your needs.
The possibilities of how we can help your business succeed are just a virtual visit away. We welcome you to Domino, and we welcome you to experience the Domino difference. You'll be glad you did.